Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to add text to a Mathematica plot. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like to put certain text over your plot to describe a certain point in your plot, etc. So I'll be showing you how to add text to a Mathematica plot today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm just going to zoom in a bit so the code is easier to see, and I'm just going to use the plot function to create my plot. So that is my plot, and I want to actually label the plot, but I want to put the label in here on the graph as opposed to a title. So to do that, what we're going to do is you're going to put a comma, and you're going to type epilogue and put your arrow, and then we're going to make it an inset, and inside that you're going to type style and put another pair of square brackets, and now finally you're going to give what the label of your graph is. So I'm going to just put sign X, and you can also put what you want the font size to be, so I'll just put 12 there. And outside this pair of square brackets, you're going to put a comma and going to put a pair of curly brackets. And in here, you're going to type up the coordinates of where you want this text to be on your graph. So I'll just choose -2 and 0.5. And now if I run this, as you can see, I have a text on my plot that says sign of X at this position where I've placed it. And yeah, that's basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to add text to a Mathematica plot, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.